Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from HeroFX. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to portal.herofx.co/wallet and then sign into your account. Then from here, you're going to be in your wallet tab by default and it's going to show you the balance. So if you've got any money inside of here, we can go ahead and click on the withdraw button here next to deposit. On the left hand side, we've got withdraw here. So just go ahead and click on the withdraw button and then we can select the method. So we've got Ethereum, USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Solana. So choose which method. So if you want to do Solana, choose Solana. And then they've got a minimum withdrawal amount, which is 5 USD, and it's on the Sol network Solana. So from here, click confirm. And then we want to go ahead and choose the amount. So say if I want to withdraw 50 Sol, and make sure you can set it to Sol or USD. I'm just going to do USD. I'm going to click continue for this, but it's probably not going to let me perform this action because I've got only $0 and my account isn't verified. But after this, so if you are verified and you do have the money, click continue. Then from there, you might need to fill out a KYC form or 2FA. And what I suggest here is record everything as well. So take screenshots of the withdrawal from the page. So this is the amount, address, network, and also confirmation screen, any email tickets you receive, and the transaction ID once processed. Also save timestamps and support ticket numbers too. Then from there, we want to go ahead and wait for processing and watch for TX ID. So once HeroFX processes your money or your withdrawal, you should see a transactional hash. So this is a TX ID, and use that TX ID in our blockchain explorer. So this can be Etherscan, SolChain blockchain to confirm the transaction and final delivery to your address. Then after receiving crypto, you can convert, sell it via an exchange you trust if you want fiat. So if you need AUD or USD or other fiat, send your crypto to a regulated exchange. This can be Binance, Coinbase, Kraken that supports withdrawals or bank transfers.